Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might help you in one way or the other, and today we're going to be looking at on how to create a RAR file. First and foremost, you'll have to make sure that you have WinRAR downloaded. This is WinRAR. You need to make sure you have it downloaded and installed. You can download it from the web from online. There is a WinRAR website. I'm going to show it to you right now. This is the WinRAR website. You want to press on here, and then you want to download the 64-bit or the 32-bit depending on which Windows bit version you are using. So after you have that downloaded, you want to install it, and once it's done installing, then we're gonna start creating our first RAR file. So to make a RAR file, you'll have to have a file that you want to compress and turn it into a RAR file. So you want to select a file. Since I'm in Windows 11, I'll have to press on this, show more options. Once I do that, I can see this add to week 3 RAR. I'm gonna do that, and boom, my RAR file has been created. Since the file is very small, as I can show you, it's just 104 KB. It's gonna create a RAR file pretty close to that size because there's not much to do about it, but you have created your RAR file. Now you can protect it by making a bunch of additional modifications. You can add more files here. There's much to do, but as our tutorial suggests, we're just making a RAR file, and it's as easy as this. So, and if I open it, you can see my 3 documents that I have in here is the same as my 3 documents in here. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.